Hey guys, we're finally back in the Harajuku area after a very long trip at the Gotemba Premium Outlets yesterday. And si Bianca, she's taking photos of her fit. Suot niya Jordan 1s. I taught her well. So ngayon, we're going back to the Harajuku, Shibuya area. Kasi nasilip naman na natin yung stores dun. So ngayon is the time that we're about to shop and buy the stuff. Kasi ang hirap nga na may dala-dala, hirap may buhat. Take it from us, nung isang araw, nung nagta-travel kami, may dala-dala kaming maleta, pati mga pinag-shoppingan. Sobrang hirap pag nagta-travel ka sa train, sa subway. Ang daming yung dala, tapos ang sikip. Kasi minsan puno yung train. So, ayun na nga, a little tip. Make sure to plan your trip well. Kasi we don't want you experiencing the hassle that we've experienced, yung daming dala. So ngayon my on feet sneakers will be the Sean Waters Tunes, the Air Max 97 one. And again, si Bianca wearing the Obsidian UNC's Christmas gift ko sa kanya. So yeah, see you guys in a bit when we arrive at the Harajuku Shibuya area. Peace. Okay, so food hacks dito sa Japan. We have McDonald's right here. Sobrang mura kasi nung chicken nuggets nila. It's for 390 yen, 15 pieces. So I'll be getting that. Secured the bag alert. So sila Bianca, nandito ngayon sa Sukiya. Another food hack here in Japan. It's like a cheaper Yoshinoya. Yung beef bowl, masarap dyan. Pero ako, McDo lang muna. Pakita mo nga kinakain. Cheesy beef bowl. Sobrang sarap. Shaka chicken tawad. Para siyang chicken fillet na sobrang laki. It's 150 yen lang. 500 lang total nito sa McDo. 500 yen, mga 200 meron pa chicken nuggets, sarap. 15 pieces to tulog chicken nuggets. Nakakain na kami, may energy na to go shopping. Let's get it. Finally made it to Harajuku. Let's go shopping. Successful shopping trip at our first store, Bape. Solid. Let's go. went back over here at Undefeated because I wanted to pick up the Air Max 90 Undefeated collab, yung may black with the blue accents. But unfortunately, it's already sold out. Nung isang araw lang kami nandito, ngayon sold out na, sayang. So it's not meant to be. Now we're walking towards Shibuya again. And continue namin yung vlog kasi hindi pa kami nakakapag-shop over there sa area na yun. So I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. Okay guys, so we just made it over at the Shibuya crossing. As you guys can see, we're waiting for the go signal. Tapos mag-photoshoot lang kami for Instagram. Shibuya crossing. Shibuya crossing. So we were finally able to take photos at the Shibuya crossing. Nasa kabilang side na actually Shibuya. Kinuha ko kasi yung gamit ko ulit. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you do so. It's at Gio Santa Maria. Makikita nyo yung mga fit namin. Ito yung binili ko actually yesterday sa Gotemba Premium Outlets. So make sure to check out that vlog as well. Tapos, ayun, magdi-dinner muna kami, then continue shopping. Let's go. Let's be ako, taking photos. Guys, tingnan nyo, may mga Mario Kart na dumadaan. It's solid. Pero now we're on the way to our dinner place. Kasi this trip wouldn't be complete without eating over here. This is one of the most famous eating spots here in Japan. We're here at Ichiran Ramen. Ito pa, favorite pa namin is Kinari steak. Magkatabi pa lang. And so this is the line for Ichiran, guys. Pababa. Let's go. So, quick change of plans kasi medyo mahaba ang line sa Ichiran. We're over here at the Kinari steak. We didn't know that it was here. Pero ayan siya. Sobrang sarap niyan, guys. Check it out. Gutom na? Tara, let's go. The food's finally here. And let's dig in. Kinari steak. Alright, so we just finished eating. Ayan, naghahanap na kami ng mga masya-shoppingan. So we'll update you guys kung ano makita namin. Let's go. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa Shibuya, diba? Meron na naman isa pang Bape store behind me. Another Bape store. This is the Shibuya branch. So papasok rin kami, baka may iba pa silang designs. Check natin. Dagdagan pa ang aking Bape haul for today. Aray ko. Okay, so ayun nga, dadagdagan yung Bape haul natin for today. Papakita ko sa inyo later on in this video kung ano yung mga na-pick up ko. Pero ayan, Bape store, Shibuya. Hey guys, finally back in Manila. Finally back in the Philippines. And I'm about to share with you guys some of my latest pickups from Japan. First up, we have a pair of sneakers from Bape. And if you guys read the size tag right there, I got a size 8. And it says Foot Soldier. And this is actually part of their 20th anniversary. And this is called the Bapesta. And so let's start out the unboxing with a bang. Ayan, super ganda na itong pair na to. This is called the Animal Mix if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, actually ang dami nilang nilabas na pairs doon na Bapesta kasi nga 20th anniversary nila. But this one stood out for me kasi sobrang wild niya, sobrang ganda ng design. And if you guys check the details, ayan, may mga hair yung sapatos dyan. And it looks a lot like the Air Force One. Kaya I decided to pick this up kasi nga ganda ng silhouette, looks like the Air Force One, and I like the design of it, yung wild na style. So ayun guys, that's the first sneaker pickup for Japan. So let's continue with all the Bape stuff first. Right here I have 2 Bape face masks. If you guys can see that, I got the red one and I got the purple one. Prayers out to those people that got affected by the explosion of the Taal volcano. So itong purple personal item ko. And super cool. Tingnan. Tapos continuing with the accessories. And I got a Bape Neon Tokyo something collection nila, bago rin. And I got a keychain. I also got some stickers from Bape. And just for my luggage, just to add accessories to it, some stickers, so some Bape t-shirts as well, part of their Tokyo Neon Lights collection. And so ito rin, Bape na ano, yung mukha ng monkey tee. I'll open it for you guys. This is my personal items naman, so I don't mind opening it. Ayan, ganda rin. Super cool ng design, kaya I decided to pick it up. Ito, just more Bape items. I got the black version and the white version of this classic logo A Bathing Ape t-shirt. Then, this is actually my pasalubong for my dad. Kasi he's into streetwear din, he's into Bape. So I decided to get him this t-shirt from Bape. This is part of their 20th anniversary collection then for the Bapesta. If you look sa likod, it has the picture of the Bapesta sneaker over there. So let's get right into the next bag. Next item I picked up from Bape is this big paper bag. If you guys can see that, sobrang laki. It's almost as big as me. And what's inside? It's actually a cool accessory. And if you guys open it, it's a Bape rug. And just an accessory for my room. This is one of my personal pickups rin from Bape. You guys see that? Cool, astig. But I also got one for resale if somebody wants to pick it up. It's available on my Instagram page at streetwear.haul. And Bape rug. And then, up next, isa pang CDGT for my mom naman. Pasalubong ko rin. CDG Play long sleeves. Some more pickups. This is what I picked up from the Nike outlets over at Gotemba. If you guys remember this. I took a very nice picture of this Shibuya crossing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that. Ang laki ng swoosh sa likod. I picked up this particular jacket kasi nga lightweight siya. You can wear it sa Philippines as compared to like very thick jackets na available sa mga Uniqlo doon. Oh, ito. Then up next, Nike Element React. You guys remember from my Gotemba Premium Outlets vlog, I got this for a very cheap price at only 2,500 pesos. Nike Element React 87. And solid. This is called the Red Orbit colorway. And then from the part 2 of my shopping series, if you guys remember that, I got a pair of Air Force Ones. And this is called the Shibuya exclusive. I believe this released no Halloween. Kaya if you guys can see yung theme niya, black and orange, Halloween theme. Pero this was a Shibuya exclusive, so I had to pick it up. Ayan, ang ganda. And then lastly, I got this package nung pag-uwi ko here. Pero include ko na lang din to sa unboxing ko. This is from the US actually. Hindi kasi nagkasya sa luggage ko, pero I was able to pick this up, pero I wasn't able to vlog anymore because I was very sick nung mga last few weeks ko sa US. And this is the Yeezy 380 Aliens. And this pair is actually very nice, very good looking sneaker. Mukha siyang alien talaga. Pero as you guys all know, usually yung mga first colorways ng mga Yeezy na nilalabas, yun yung mga nag-shoot up in value. So this was the first 380 to release, the Aliens. So I think this will shoot up in value as well. So ayun guys, I think I'm missing something, but I'm not really sure. Pero yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Comment down below what do you guys think about my pickups. Which one is your favorite? For me, this is my favorite pickup from the Japan trip. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.